you're looking for a salad that's hearty enough for a whole meal, well, you've come to the right place. Today I'll show you how to make kung pao chicken with spaghetti salad. So I started out with 2 chicken breasts, which I seasoned with salt and pepper and Chinese 5-spice powder. Then I broiled them until they were fork tender, and now I'm going to slice them and just set them aside in a bowl. We're going to assemble the salad now in a large bowl. I've got some baby spinach leaves, and I've cooked and drained some spaghetti, and I'll add that along with some cooked soybeans, cooked and drained. And we'll also add some shredded carrots and some sliced radishes, also some sliced green onion. And this is what makes it kung pao, is roasted and salted peanuts. We'll just add those in too. Now we'll make the Asian vinaigrette. In my blender I will put in some rice wine vinegar, some sesame oil, and some soy sauce, along with some hoisin sauce. I need the spoon to get that in there. Along with some chili garlic paste, also known as sambal oelek, and some mint leaves. And then we'll blend it all up. Now pour 2 tablespoons of the vinaigrette over the chicken and the rest of the vinaigrette over the salad. That is one delicious Asian salad, and you can get the recipe by writing to me here at the station, or log on to the web address shown on your screen and click on the Kitchen Guy icon. I'm Chef Jim. Thanks so much for watching Kitchen Guy, the tastiest 2 minutes in television. I hope you join me next time. Thanks.